Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Garmin Venu 2 Plus. First, unbox your new smartwatch and find the charging cable. Connect the cable to the back of the watch and plug it into a USB power source. It's best to fully charge the device, which usually takes about 2 hours, before starting the setup process. Once charged, press and hold the top right button for a few seconds to power it on. Next, you'll need to pair your Venu 2 Plus with your smartphone. Download the Garmin Connect app from your phone's app store, available for both iOS and Android. Open the app, create an account if you don't have one, and then select Add Device. Choose the Venu 2 Plus from the list. Your watch will display a 6-digit pairing code. Enter this into the app to complete the connection. Now, let's personalize your Venu 2 Plus. Within the Garmin Connect app, navigate to your device settings. Here, you can update your personal profile details like height and weight for accurate tracking. Customize your notification preferences to receive alerts for calls, texts, and other apps directly on your wrist. You can also browse and select from hundreds of watch faces to match your style and adjust data fields for activities. Finally, ensure your Venu 2 Plus is set up for daily use. Your watch will automatically sync your activity and health data with the Garmin Connect app throughout the day, typically every 15 minutes when connected. Explore features like continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and stress levels. Don't forget to use the accurate built-in GPS for your runs or walks, and enjoy the convenience of Garmin Pay for quick, contactless transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.